Okay, hi boys and girls. We are going to go over the first lesson of Module 6. Mine looks a little different in color because it's the teacher's version, but know that it is practically the same. All right, so we're going to get started. This is the beginning of multiplication. So they wanted you to do was to circle groups of 2 apples. So you're going to be looking at these apples, and you're going to circle groups of 2 apples. So you're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And just like that, you're going to now count your groups. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 groups of 2 apples. All right, the next one is circle groups of 3 balls. There's 3. And it doesn't matter which balls you circle together as long as it's 3 balls. Here's another 3. You could even do something like this where you go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now you count. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So there are 5 groups of 3 balls. 3 balls. Okay, so now you're going to redraw the 12 oranges into 4 equal groups. What I actually like to do is I like to give each group one orange at a time. So I'm not going to draw the oranges the way that they have them here, only because that takes up time. So I'm going to use my orange color, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9, 10, 11, 12. And now I've used 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 3 in here, right? 3 in here. So this is 4 groups of 3. And let me make that 3 here very clearly. 3, right? So 3, 3, 3. So 4 groups of 3 oranges. Now I'm going to redraw the 12 oranges into 3 groups. So I'm going to do 12, but I'm going to do one at a time. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now there's 4 in here. So there's 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 groups of 4 oranges each. And that is page 1. Now let's go to the next page. Oops. Let's make sure I have my eraser. And let me page up. Sorry, this is kind of a new thing using my iPad instead of using... Oh, I think I went too far. So let me go up to the lesson where we were. We were on lesson... there it is. I need to learn how to do that when I'm doing a live video. But I believe it was down here. And too far. That's my exit ticket. I believe it's this one. Here we go. All right, so here we go. This is the back of page 1. Let me compare it to my book. And yes, it's the one with little flowers and lemons. Okay, so let's continue our lesson. Redraw the flowers to make each of the 3 groups have an equal number. Here's the key word they want us to use. Equal number right there. So we want to redraw the flowers to make each of the 3 groups have an equal number. Look, this one has 4. This one has 2, and this one has 3. That's not equal. So let's count them all together. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I have 9 flowers, and now I'm going to do what I've been telling you. And I'm not going to bother drawing them carefully. I'm just going to do circles because I think that's an easy way to do it. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there, I've used all 9 flowers. And now I have 3 groups of 3 equals 9 flowers. Next one is redraw the lemons to make 2 equal size groups. 2 equal size groups. And I only have 2, but let's see how many lemons I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, I have 20 lemons. Let's start drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's see how many I have in each group. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I have 2 groups of 10 lemons, which equals a total of 20 lemons. And that, boys and girls, is the back of page 2. Now, I know some of you said that you did not have page 1, and that's okay. Let's just go ahead and, oops, let's erase that. Okay. And stop writing. I just want to move up. Again, trying to learn this. Sorry, kids. Okay, so now I've just skipped like a bunch of pages. All right, so let's move on. This right here is an exit ticket that I usually use as a quiz. And there is my next page. Okay, so this is page 3. And it says, circle groups of 2 shirts. Circle groups of 2 shirts. So let's do 2 shirts at a time. 1, 2, 3. And so there are 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, right? 3 groups of 2 shirts. Now you do the next one. Circle groups of 3 pants. 3 pants. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now let's count our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of 3 pants. Okay, the next one. Redraw, that means draw again. Redraw the 12 wheels into 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 wheels. So now I'm going to make equal groups. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many did I put in each group? There are 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, of 4 wheels each. Okay, and now the next one. Redraw the 12 wheels into 4 equal groups. 12 wheels into these 4 equal groups. So let's do 1 wheel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now this time there's only 4 groups of 3 wheels. And again, I really would like for you to try these out on your own before you look at my video, because then you don't exercise that brain muscle to try these out. Okay, so the next page is the back, which is page 4. And it is redraw the apples to make each of the 4 groups have an equal amount. So this is not equal because you have 1 here, you have 3 here, you have 3 here, and you have 1 here. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 7, 8 apples total. So now let's put them equally by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, I went over. All right, so then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 4 groups of two apples, and 4 times 2 equals, any guesses? 8. Okay, so now we're going to redraw the oranges to make 3 equal groups. And so now let's try this out. I'm going to use a nice bright orange color, and I'm going to make it a little thicker. Okay, let's try this out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 oranges. So now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges equals 15. Or 3 times 5 equals 15. And there, boys and girls, is the beginning of multiplication and why we do this group work. Okay, so that is your work for yesterday. Today's homework, I want you to try out page 5 through, let's do page 6. Try that out today and see how you do. Have a good day.